Welcome back to YouTube. So today y'all tune in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss today, and I'm bringing y'all some of the finest side dishes that you can make. This can even be your main dish, my opinion. So today we're going to be doing a seafood mac and cheese. So of course you're going to need the elbow noodles. Me, I like my extra creamy, so I'm going to throw some sour cream in there. I'm going to be using some white cheddar cheese, plus I got like mozzarella, parmesan. Then I'm going to be using half cream. And whatever else you want to add in there to season it up. But you guys will see that. Then, of course, we got to have some crab legs. So, y'all, wife was like, babe, she suggested we should get the crab in the can so we ain't got to sit there and crack it. I was like, okay, that sounds like a good idea. Make it a little quicker. Then I got to looking at it. Y'all look at that crab in the can. Ugh, woo. So, yeah, of course, we're using lobster. And we got a pound of shrimp. So, first we're going to start getting the crab legs cracked, and we're gonna get that meat out of there. We already got the shrimp peeled in the vein. So I'm gonna get wifey to go ahead and take over and start cracking these crab legs for me though. I'm gonna put my boiling water on and stuff on the stove top. Okay, so now we have our water boiling. And we're going to go ahead and put in 2 cups of elbow noodles. So we're about to make our salsa, but I'm going to put a little butter in the pan. So I'm going to put a tablespoon of garlic in there. And some red onions. Now I'm going to add in my heavy whipping cream. Alright, so now half and half cream is at a simmer. So you can see I'm using a whisk because we want it creamy and no lumps. So I'm going to start adding in cheese. So now I'm going to add in some sour cream to make it nice and creamy. Me, I just like sour cream there in my mac and cheese. It seems like it make it creamy.